What is going on? I'm back with another one. And today we have the Jordan Post Slides. Now, I have bought two just in case. Two different sizes. One being the 8 and the other size 9 UK. These come in this small Jordan box, identical to the mid boxes, just smaller. Now we are going to try the size 8 UK first. So let's get right into it. Before we proceed, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but this is not my voice, it's speech synthesis. I found it really interesting and thought, why not try it out? Anyways, so here they are, the Jordan Post Slides. Now I'm just going to say it. I'm going to say what we are all thinking. Jordan basically copied the Yeezy slides. There is no denying it, it's clear as fuck. The thick design. Very identical indeed. But if I have to be honest, I have never owned, bought, or worn a Yeezy slide ever. I'm still not sure why it was so popular. They are just slides like these and people pay crazy resell just for a quick flex. Now going to the Jordan Post Slides, the design is cool, I guess. I bought these for £28 each, I believe, which is pretty standard nowadays for a pair of slides. I bought Adidas slides a few years ago for £20 and I'm still wearing them even though they pretty much destroyed. But these do look and feel solid. I have to do the Turkish Turlik test, it's a must, and I recommend you do the same next time you're out shopping for one. Yeah, these will do. It's light yet robust. Here are my Adidas slides crying for help, begging me to throw them away, but am refusing to accept their request, and I carry on wearing them, unless they fall apart. Until then, I shall wear them. Anyways, guys, let's carry on with the on feet. Now, I just want to start with saying that these are comfortable. There is no doubt about it. Height boost? Yes. Yes, it does give you the extra height boost. More than my Adidas slides. It's an all-foam construction, easy to clean. You could rock these inside of the house or for shopping. Barefoot or with socks. No problemo, amigo. Just do whatever you would do with them Yeezy slides, it's basically the same shit. Some real moonwalking shit going on here? Damn. Watch me. Oh, wet. Fuck. I can give you guys a free show. If you're good at something, never do it for free. The Joker in The Dark Knight. Yeah. I'm also on a very intellectual ting. Now, because these do not come in half sizes, I bought two, the size 8 UK, which I have already tried on. Fits well. My foot just about fits inside. It feels like there is no more room for my heel to rest on. And here is the size 9 UK. This just fits really well. More room for my heel. But at the same time it feels bigger. You can immediately tell it's a bigger size. I think I'm going to keep the size 8 UK. I probably need to wear them in. Anyways, guys, that's it. That is it for today. If you have any questions, do let me know below. And I will see you on the next one.